plus 1. So it gives us 1 plus 1, the output is 0, and again one carry is here. So I'm writing this carry using red. This is the carry one. So now the result is 1 plus 1, that is 0. So 0 plus 1 is 1. And when 3 ones are there, then the result is 1, and again one carry is also generated. So 1 plus 1 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, but there is one carry. When it is 1 plus 1, so one carry is generated. Suppose I am writing this with red. So again here we have a 1 and this is 0. So this is the result. See carefully, here 3 ones, so the result must be 1, and also one carry is there, and that is written here. Now number 4 example. If any problem is there, you may discuss. Now we need to add these 0, 0, 1, 1. So 1 plus 1, this is 0, and one carry is generated. So this is the carry. Carry is 1. Now three ones are there, so the result is 1, and again one carry is generated, and this is the carry one. This is the carry one, red color. And now we have to put this one, because 0 plus 1, that is also 1, and now it is 0. So this is the result. So you can say that this is 3, this is also 3, and this is 6. Okay. Now binary subtraction. For binary subtraction, the rules are, the rules 0 minus 0 equals to 0. 1 minus 0 equals to 1. 0 minus 1 is 1, and we have to borrow we have to borrow 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay. Now again we are doing some examples. Suppose number 1 is 1 1 0 1 minus 0 1 1 1. So this is, we know this is 13 and this is 7. So we should have 6 as a result. Now let us see. 1 minus 1, that is 0. 1 minus 1, that is 0. Now 0 minus 1, so it is not possible. So we have to borrow 1 1 from the beside bit. So we have to borrow 1 from here. So if we borrow 1, so the value becomes like 2 as it is in the binary form. So it is 2. So 2 minus 1, it becomes 1, and we have 1 here. Okay, so now here we have, now its value is 0 because we have borrowed 1 from here. So it is 0. So again we have to borrow 1 from this position. So if we borrow 1, the value becomes 2 because it is in the binary form. So if we borrow 1, the value is 2. So now in this position, if we borrow 1 from this position, but here the value is like 2. So 2 minus 1, again it becomes 1. And here now it is 0 because we have borrowed this 1. So now it is 0. So 0, 0, this is 0. So see the result. This is also 6. Now let us take another example. So suppose the example is, okay, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. We have to subtract 1, 1, 1, 1. So now let us see the way how to perform this. So here 1 minus 1, it becomes 0. It becomes 0. Now 0 minus 1, it is not possible, so we have to borrow 1. So here 1 is not present, here also 1 is not present, here also 1 is not present, but we have 1 here. So we have to borrow this 1 from this to this. So the value is 2. Again we have to borrow here from 2, we have to borrow 1. So here now the value is 1, but here we have borrowed 1. So the value becomes 2 in the binary. Again, if we borrow here 1, so the value becomes 1 and here becomes 1. So again, if we borrow 1 here, oh, it becomes 2. So now it becomes 1, and here the value, we borrow 1, but the value of 1 is 2. How it is 2? See, actually, if we borrow 1 and 0 was already present and we borrow 1, so it is 1 0. So 1 0 means 2. 1 0 means 2. isn't it? So 10 means 2. So the value here means 2. 2 minus 1, so it is 1. Okay. Now 1 minus 1. Here the value was 1. So 1 minus 1, it is 0. 1 minus 1, it is also 0. So 1 minus, there is nothing. So it remains 1. And this one was already borrowed. So there is no value present. So it is 0. So this is the result. বুঝতে পারলে কেউ? কেউ কি শুনছো?
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম।
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ইয়েস ম্যাম, বুঝেছি।
Why it is 2? Because if we borrow 1, then value is 10. Because 0 was already present and now we are borrowing 1. This is the borrowing 1. So now its value is like 2. So 2 minus 1, so it is 1. Okay. Now I am giving another example. Suppose 1 0 1 0 0.010 minus this is 111.111. This is fractional value. So now let us see. Mute করো, কারো একজনের unmute আছে, mute করো। So 0 minus 1, we have to borrow from here. So it is like 10, that is 2. So 2 minus 1, it becomes 1. Now here is 0. Now at present it is 0. So we need a 1. So the left hand side bit has 0. Again here it is also 0. So here is 1. So we have to borrow 1 from here. So now it becomes 2 or 10. So 2 minus 1, it becomes 1. Okay. Now here the value is 1. Now at present 1, because already its value was 2, but we have borrowed 1 here. So now at present the value is 1. So 1 minus 1, it is 0. Point is no factor. Point is no problem. So now 0, actually its value is now 1. So 1 minus 1, it is also again 0. And here the value is 0 at present. Okay. So now we have to borrow 1 from the left side. So from here we have to borrow 1. 1 means, that means 2, but we put 2 1, and here now we have value 2. Actually we borrow 1, but the value is like 2. So 2 minus 1, it is 1, and here the value is already 1. So 1 minus 1, it is 0, and here is also 0, because we have borrowed this 1. So it is also 0. So this is the result. So see here it was 10.2 and here it is 7.7. So the result is 2.3. This is one. Okay. Now I am giving another example. So let us, this is example 4. 1, 2, 3, yes, 4. Now example 4, the value is 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, and we are subtracting 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. So suppose its value is, we're putting the binary values. See here, 1, 2, 4, 8. This is 16. This position 16. Power of 2 is 16. This is 32. And this is 64. And this is this is 64, and this is 128. So now tell me, what is the value? What is the decimal value of this? Sneha Shanapati, what is the decimal value of this? Who is listening? Deepak Kumar?
43.
Yes,
43,
43.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Because we have to add these positions, that is, this is 1, this is 2. So 3 plus 8 plus 32. So this is 43. And see here,
This is on 71. Okay.
yes, it is 71. So how we do this subtracting? So see, if we want to subtract this, that is 43, this is plus value. So 43 minus plus 71. Okay, this is given to us. So we have to subtract this. So the result is minus 28. So how it could be possible? Let us see. So we have to subtract this. So 1 minus 1, that is 0. 1 minus 1, again it is 0. 0 minus 1, we have to borrow 1. So here it becomes, that is, it is 2. So 2 minus 1, so it becomes 1. And here the value is now, its value is now 0. So 0 minus 0, it is 0. Now it is 0 minus 0 again, so it is 0. Now 1 minus 0, it is 1. And this is 0 minus 1. So 0 minus 1 is, we cannot subtract this, no? So actually it becomes 1, but this 1 is for the negative value. It is representing the negative value here. Okay.
This
So
one
this
is
is for the position 64. So we have to take this as minus 64, and let us see the result, why, whether it is correct or not. So this is 32 and this is plus 4. So what, plus 32 plus 4. So what is the result?
minus 28.
Minus 28.
Minus 1.
So it's okay. So this is for the position. This one represents that it is a negative value. Okay. But actually it is not the way of subtracting. We have to take the 2's complement. Actually till now I have not discussed with you the complements, that is 1's complement and the 2's complement. Now I will discuss this, because we have to when we have to subtract, we have to use this 2's complement method. This is not the right way. Yes. So when uh, we have to subtract, if there is any negative value, or we need to subtract that value, so we have to make it in 2's complement form. So first 43 will be as it is, 43 will be as it is, so it is 0, this is 43. Okay, I am writing here 43. So 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 1. Now we have to find the 2's complement of 71, because it is minus 71. So we have to, first we have to write 71. What is 71? This is plus 71. Okay. So 71 is 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 1. Sorry. This is plus 71. Now we have to first do the 1's complement form. So 1's complement of 71 is just opposite. If there is 1, we have to put 0. If there is 0, we have to put 1. So 1's complement is like this. Here is 1, so we have to put 0. Here is 1, we have to put 0. Again it is 0. And here is 0, but we have to put 1. So 1's complement is just opposite. This is the 1's complement of 71. Now we have to do the 2's complement of 71. 2's complement. Of 71. So we have to add 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. And other values are same. So now it is minus 71, or 2's complement of 71. How? Because see here the value of this position is, this is 128.
1.
Hello.
Value of this position, yes, minus 128. And here the values of other positions are,
One is complement
this is plus 32 plus 16. See the positions where 1 is present, we have to take that value only. So
Ma'am, Laboni is asking something.
হ্যাঁ এক মিনিট আমি এটা কমপ্লিট করে নিই।
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So this is minus 71. Okay, so in this way we can get minus 71. Now with 43 we have to subtract 71. We have to put this 71. Okay, so now let us see 1 0 1 1 1, and this is 0 0 1. So now what is the result? So this is simple addition. 1 plus 1, this is 0. See the rules of addition. 1 plus 1 is 0 and carry is 1. Okay, someone was asking me question. Who? Labuni.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ask me.
তুমি ওয়ান্স কমপ্লিমেন্টের জায়গাটা একবার রিপিট করবেন।
কোনটা? 1 is complement. কোনটা? 1 is
ওয়ান্স কমপ্লিমেন্ট, ইয়েস ম্যাম।
1 is just opposite.
না
See, it is 71. So when we uh, represent 71 in 1's complement form, then we have to just change the value of that bit positions. That is, if the bit position we have 1, we have to put 0. If it is 1, we have to put 0. If it is 0, then we have to put 1. In this way. Okay. So if it is 8-bit representation, we have to convert it into 8-bit representation, 1's complement form. And if it is 7-bit, then we have to convert this into 7-bit, 1's complement form. Okay, now we have to do the addition here. So 1 plus 1, it is 0, and here is 1 carry is 1. So here again 0 plus 1, that is 1, 1 plus 1. So now again it is 1 1 0, and we have another one carry. So we have to, here we have again one carry. So we have to put this 1. Now again it is 1 plus 1. So it is 0, and we have a carry here. So again we have 1 1. So 1 1 is 0, and we have 3 1s here. Carry 1 is also here. So here is 3 1s. So it is 1, and again one carry is generated. So we have to put here the carry, this one, and here 0 plus 1 is 1. So this is an extra bit. See here, it is an extra bit. So this is actually, this is extra bit. So it represents the minus, that is the negative value. It represents negative value when there will be any negative value. So for negative, we will have 1 in the MSB position, and for positive, we will have 0 in the MSB position. Okay, now see here, for 1 in this position, this is 128. So this is minus 128, minus 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 4. So again we are getting the result as minus 28. Okay. So sorry. Undo is there. Okay. So this is the right way, and this is not required. This is for just we are checking that whether the result is okay or not. Okay. So actually this is the way. We have to convert the negative for the negative value to s complement. So we are not taking the 2s complement of 43 because it is plus 43, but we are subtracting 71. So we are just getting the 2s complement form of 71. That is the negative value for the negative value, as it is a negative. So next, after getting the 2s complement of negative value, we are just doing the addition operation with 43. So we are getting the result and output, and we are just verifying or checking here. So this part is not required. This black part is not required. If you just want to do this, then we can you can do this in your rough part. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, before starting multiplication, I want to discuss the sign magnitude number. So sign magnitude, for representing sign magnitude, we are using this 8421 process, such as suppose 7. We want to represent 7. Okay. So for representing 7, if in sign magnitude, we must have to mention whether it is plus 7 or minus 7. So if we are representing this, suppose 16, and it must be mentioned in the question paper that you have to take 5-bit representation or 8-bit representation or 7-bit representation. Whatever is mentioned in the question paper, you have to represent with that bit. Okay. So if it is 5 bits, suppose it is written here that 5-bit representation. So for representing this 7 into 5-bit, so we know all that 7 is 00111. Actually, it is 111. But if we want to represent this 7 in 5-bit representation, so we have to put this in this way. Okay, this is 5-bit representation. And if we add this 4 plus 2, that is 6 plus 1, 7. So this is the way. This is 7. Okay, but if we want to represent this 7 in sign magnitude, so here see the 5th bit position, it is 0. That means the most significant bit position using 5-bit representation plus 7, that is must be 0 in the 5th bit or in the MSB position. Okay, so it is 0. That means this is a positive value. Whatever be the here, but here must be 0 because it is a plus 7. Now, if we want to represent minus 7 in 5-bit representation, so in this way, just we have to put at the position 1, 1, at the position 2, 1, at the position 4 1, so it is already 7, but it is 5 bit. The question need 5 bit representation, so we have to put a 0 here, and in this position we have to put 1. This one, again I am telling you that this one is used for sign. This is not 100111. This is just 1 for representing it as minus. This is -7. This is negative value, and this is a positive value. Okay. Now, this is sign magnitude. Okay. Okay, now, yes, I am representing here 12. Okay,
ম্যাম একটা কোয়েশ্চেন ছিল।
বলো বলো।
ম্যাম যদি এটা আমাদের বলতো যে 3 বিট রিপ্রেজেন্টেশনের মাধ্যমে দেখাতে, তাহলে তো +7 লিখছি আমি
এটাই বলবে
1।
না, যেহেতু তো মানে তুমি জানো যে তোমার রেজাল্টটা 3 বিটে আসতে পারে, তাহলে তুমি কি করে প্রেজেন্ট করবে? তোমাকে হয় তখন 4 বলবে, 5 বলবে, বা 8 বা 7 এরকমই বলবে। ঠিক আছে?
ঠিক
আর
আছে।
যদি 3 বিটে বলে, তাহলে তোমাকে এটার আবার 2s কমপ্লিমেন্ট করে, আর সাইন
হ্যাঁ,
ম্যাগনিটিউড
2's
কোশ্চেনে
কমপ্লিমেন্ট
বলবে
করতে
না
হবে।
এরকম।
হ্যাঁ,
সাইন
ওকে ওকে
ম্যাগনিটিউড যখনই কোশ্চেনে সাইন ম্যাগনিটিউড ফর্ম থাকবে, তখন
হ্যাঁ,
সেটা কখনোই বলবে না, বেশিই বলবে। ঠিক আছে?
ওকে
আচ্ছা, now we have to represent 12. Suppose we want to represent 12 in sign magnitude and with 5 bit representation. Okay, so the value of 12, we all know that is 0 0 0 0 1 1, and here it is, again I'm telling you that here is 5 bit representation is required, so it is 0 for the 5th bit MSB. Okay, so this 0 is representing, it is positive 12, so we have not mentioned here, but we have to mention here it is plus 12. Okay, now for the negative value, suppose for negative 12 minus 12, we have to represent this part as it is, but for this MSB position we have to put 1. So this one is for the negative, that is minus value. Okay, so this is minus 12. Remember, this is not in 2s complement form. This is sign magnitude form. So it must be mentioned in the question paper that whether you have to represent this negative value in sign magnitude or 2s complement form. Because in generally we are representing these minus values in negative values in 2s complement form, but when it would be mentioned that sign magnitude form, so just put 1 in the MSB position. Okay, so now let us take another example, and I will ask from the students. So now let us take 15. So who will answer me? Lavoni, do you have any confusion yet?
No, ma'am.
Okay, now tell me what is the value of 15, binary value of 15. Actually, I
One
asked
one
wrong question. It should be plus or minus. It must be mentioned in sign magnitude, whether plus 15 or minus 15. Okay, now tell me.
1111.
Okay, it is 1111, but your answer is not 100% correct, because it is
Ma'am,
5
there
bit,
will be zero.
so
Oh,
there
Zero
zero.
in the
Okay,
beginning.
huh.
Zero.
yes, because this 0 represent it is a plus 15. Okay, now
Hmm.
okay, mute yourself, Lavani. I am asking another anyone. Aman, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now
Yes,
tell me
ma'am.
minus 15. Minus 15.
Ma'am, in the ones complement, it is one,
No, 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 no.
one, one,
Not
one, one,
one
one.
is complement, sign magnitude form. I am asking you in the sign magnitude form.
Ma'am, one, 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 one.
Yes. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Good. Right. Okay, mute yourself. But if this minus 16 will be represented in the 2s complement form, suppose here there is space, so I am showing it here. So using 2s complement, minus 15. Okay, so what is the value of plus 15? First step is this. First we have to find out the value of plus 15 or just 15. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4 in 2s complement form, but there is no extra bit required. It is not mentioned, so we are not taking that. But if it is mentioned that 8-bit representation or 5-bit representation, then we have to put zeros. Okay, so here 4-bit is there, so again we have to put
Ma'am,
4 zeros.
ma'am,
Yes,
it will be
bolo.
10001.
minus 15.
হ্যাঁ 2s কমপ্লিমেন্টে
হ্যাঁ আমরা করছি, দেখি কি হয়। আচ্ছা, it is 0 0 0 0 and for this 1 1 1 1. It is 8-bit representation of 1s complement. Now we have to add 1. So now our result is 0 plus 1, that is 1. 0 0 0 1 1 1 1. So this result is in 8-bit representation, and this is the 2s complement. You must have to mention this 2s complement of minus 15. Okay, this is the 2s complement of minus 15. And this is the 5-bit sign magnitude representation of minus 15. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, okay, I am describing this again. Suppose 12. 12 is here. So represent minus 12. Minus 12 we have to represent. It is already mentioned here. I am again showing you. So the value is 0 1 1 0 0. And if we convert it into 1s complement, so it is 1 1 0 0 1. Now we have to add 1. Now it is 2s complement, so it is 0 0 1 1 0. Sorry. 1 1 0 carry 1. 1 1 0 carry 1 0. Sorry. Here it would be 0. It would be 0. And here it would be 1. So this one is, value of this position is 16. This is 8. This is 4. This is 2. And this is 1. So this position is 16. So this is minus 16 plus this is, for this its position is 4. So we are again getting the value minus 12. Okay. So this is also minus 12. Okay. Now another one example. This is the last example using sign magnitude. Now we have to solve using 2s complement method. Plus 39 minus 25. The question is plus 39 minus 25. So 39 minus 25. This is our question. Using twist complement. Using twist complement method. Okay. So first we will write 39. 39. So 39 is 1 0 0 1 1 1. This is 39. Now we have to represent 25. So for representing 25, suppose 1 2 1 2 4 8 16 32 64. That is 25 is 1 0 0 1 1. So we have to put this 0 and 0. This is 25. Now we have to calculate the 1s complement form. 1s complement of 25. So it is 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. Now we have to represent the twist complement form. 2s complement 24. That is, we have to add 1. 1, 1, 1. Oh, 0, 1, 1. This is minus or minus 25, or it is a negative value. We can say that this is negative 25. Okay, so now we have to add this with 39. We have to add this with 39. So 39, first write 39. This is 39. Now we have to put 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. So it becomes 1, 1, 0. And here is carry 1. This is here carry 1. Let's see. So this is 0. And now here it is 1. And again we have a carry 1. So again we have a carry 1 here. So again it is 1. Now the carry 1, we put the carry 1 here, and it is 0. And again it is 1, 1, 0. Carry is 1. So again it is 1, 1, 0, and 1 carry is there. So it is 1. So this one will be not used. It will not be used because this is 7-bit representation, and suppose the result is, we can check this. This is 39 and this is minus 25. So the result is should be 14. And here it is also the result is 14. And in this position, that is the MSP position, it is 0. So it is plus 14. Okay, now we will discuss. See here in the slides, can you see this? This is binary addition. This is the rule. We are just adding this 1, 1, it would be 0. And here one carry is generated. So we are putting the value carry. And it is 1 plus 0. This is 1, 1, 1, 0, and carry 1 is generated. So this is carry 1. Now in the next slide, this is binary subtraction. So here a borrow is, we are taking the borrow from the left bit. So this is 0 minus 1, it is not possible, so we borrow 1 here, and again 1 minus, that is 2, its value is 2, 2 minus 1, it is 1. Now Here the value is 0. So 0 minus 0, it is possible, it is 0. Now 1 minus 0, it is 1. And 1 minus 1, it is 0. See the binary subtraction, multi-bit carry. And here again it is using the 2s complement. The result is same, but here plus minus is there. Now multiplication. See here for multiplication, it is 8 and this is 6. So 0 into 0, it is like our multiplication. 0 into 0, it is 0. And 0 into all the values, it is 0. Now it is 1 into this value, this 1 0 0 0. And again 1 into this value, again it is 1 0 0 0. And again 0 into this value, so it is 0 0 0. Now we have to add this column wise, so it is 1 plus 0 plus 0, it is 1. 1 plus 0, it is 1. Okay, so this is 48. Do you have any confusion regarding multiplication?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And this is division. Just in division, it is this is the quotient. This is 1. We are getting 0 0 0. And again with 0, we are having 0 0 0. So in this way, and here remainder is, final remainder is 1 0. So this is 1 0, this is 2. 2 is the remainder. Okay, I think it is enough for today. So it is enough for today. And time is over. So, Auditro, from
Yes, ma'am.
which day your lab will start?
ম্যাম রুটিনটা চেক করতে হবে এক সেকেন্ড
হ্যাঁ,
রুটিনটা চেক করতে হবে একটু।
রুটিন না, ওটা স্যার তো বলেছেন 17 থেকে, মানে নেক্সট উইক থেকে হার্ডওয়্যার ল্যাবটা। ঠিক আছে,
হ্যাঁ সফটওয়্যার ল্যাব তো 10 তারিখ থেকে স্টার্ট হওয়ার কথা।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, সফটওয়্যারটা আমাদের তো হার্ডওয়্যারের ল্যাব। ঠিক আছে, আমাদের মনে হয় ল্যাবটা পড়েছে ওয়েডনেসডে আর ফ্রাইডে। ঠিক আছে, তাহলে এই উইকে হচ্ছে না মনে হয়। আমরা দেখি
হ্যাঁ
নেক্সট উইকে ভার্চুয়াল ল্যাব দিয়ে যদি করা যায়। আইআইটি গুয়াহাটির একটা সফটওয়্যার আছে ভার্চুয়াল ল্যাব, এখন সেটা সবাই মিলে অ্যাক্সেস করা যাবে কিনা এট এ টাইম, সেটা আমাদের একটু চেক করতে হবে। আর ওই ল্যাবে তো কৌশিক স্যারও থাকবেন, মানে যিনি গ্রুপ এ মানে সেকশন এর ইয়ে নেন, থিওরি নেন, কৌশিক স্যার। আমরা দুজনেই থাকবো। ঠিক আছে, আর দেখা যাক, আমি জানি না ডিজিটাল ল্যাব কিভাবে ভার্চুয়ালি পসিবল হবে। আর এটা সত্যি খুব প্রবলেম হয়ে যাচ্ছে, কারণ ডিজিটালের মতো সাবজেক্ট তো এইভাবে হয় না। নিজেদেরকে চেক করে দেখতে হয়, এরপর আবার অ্যানালগ পার্টও আসবে। এগুলো কি করে এইভাবে হয় জানি না আমি। করা যাবে, তোমাদের মানে খুব প্রবলেম হয়ে যাবে। ঠিক আছে, দেখা যাক কি করা যায়।
ওকে ম্যাম, ঠিক আছে, আমি অ্যাটেন্ডেন্সটা পাঠিয়ে দেবো আজকে।
হ্যাঁ, পাঠিয়ে দিও। ঠিক আছে, থ্যাংক ইউ। কোনো প্রবলেম নেই তো বুঝতে? তাহলে আমাকে জানিও। ও আমি কে ম্যাপটা একবার ডিসকাস করবো বলেছিলাম কাকে? কে ছিল একজন? অভিষেক নাকে ফোন করেছিল? কে আমাকে ফোন করেছিল? আমি কি কে ম্যাপটা আরেকবার বলে দেবো? কারো কি প্রবলেম আছে কে ম্যাপে?
নো ম্যাম।
তোমরা তো ক্লাস করেছো। কেউ আমাকে বিহার থেকে ফোন করেছিল, বলেছিল যে ওর প্রবলেম আছে।
Hello, ma'am.
হ্যাঁ,
Ma'am, please tell us once again the rules of the K map, ma'am. How we can
ওকে ওকে
combine it in the tabular form.
ওকে ওকে okay, see the K map. This is very opposite. Okay, suppose this is the output of the OR gate. Okay, so we have to design the K map for this output. So we have to put the values only the output for this K map. Suppose I am deleting this. Okay, now see, this is the K map of for two variable, just for two variable. So two variable can have maximum 4 outputs. See here, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. These 4 values for these two variables. So if we write A here and if we write B here, so the value of B can be either 0 or 1, or we may also say
Yeah,
at 0 as B bar or this 1 for B. Okay, and for A it is 0 or 1, so again we can say it as A bar and it 1 as A. So using this SOP, see here it is SOP is written. So now we have to put the values of the output. So function F having these values. So this is for 0 0. Value of A is 0, value of B is 0. So which cell have the value 0 0? This cell. So we have to put
first cell.
this first cell. So we have to put here 0 because it is 0. Now here it is 1. So for which cell the value of F is 1? This is value of A is 0, A is 0 and value of B is 1.
This
So
is
for
1.
so it is called in SOP, this is called small m0 and this cell is called M1 and this is called
Small
M2.
m1.
Yes, for SOP it is small m and this is M3. Now it is easily we can put here M0, M1. It is written here already. So see, for M1 it is 1. So we have to put 1. For M2 it is 1. So we have to put 1. For M3 it is 1. So it is 1. So now we have to make a group with the cells beside this. So in this way we can make a group. Why we are making K-map? Just to minimize our expression. Okay. So if we use K-map, the nearest cells, we can make a group with the nearest cell. So this is a group. Now how expression will come? So for this column, for these two columns, M1 and M3, we have the value of B is 1. Value of B and value of A is changing for M1 and M3 because the value of A is row wise. For this row M0 and M1 it is 0. A value of A is 0. But for this row M2 and M3 the value of A is 1. So for M1 and M3,
Is
we are
one.
making a group of M1 and M3, the value of A is changing. So we are not taking A. We are just taking, suppose F equals to, it is B, because value of B is 1. 1 means B. Plus, for these two cells, what is the value? Value of A is 1 and B is changing 0 and 1. So we are not changing value, we are not taking. So it is just A. So this is the function of OR gate, that is A plus B. We can change it as A plus B. We have to write first A in alphabetical order. So A comes first, that is the A plus B. So value OR gate expression is A plus B. Now, here is a big example with having three letters, three variables, x, y, and z. So x, y, and z, that means three variables can have maximum up to 2 to the power 3, that is 8 values. That is M0 to M7. Okay, M0 to M7. So total is 8. 0 to 7. So total is 8. So from value of M0 is 000 and value of M1 is 001. So you can design in this way, or either you can design in this way. That is column wise, or this is row wise. So I prefer this row wise design. I think it's I'm familiar with this design. Okay. So now here, see, value of x can be 0, either 0 or 1, and value of yz can be 0, 1, 1, or 1, 0. So we put here, see here, we put M3 first and then M2. This is the rule. Okay, we cannot change it. This is the rule. We first have to put M3 here, then we put M2 here. Again, M4, M5, and M6, M7 first, and then M6. Okay. Are you getting my point? Okay. So this is the rule. We cannot change it. Now see, we are putting the value of these small m's, the min terms. So where the min terms or value of small m are 1, in that positions we have to put 1. See, for M2 is 1, so value of XYZ is X bar. Here it is X bar for this row, and Y is 0. So where is Y0? Here it is Y0, here Y0. So, and here 1, 1. So in these two positions, value of Y is 0. We are taking this. Oh, value of Y is 1 here. Yes, value of Y is 1 here. And Z is, value of Z is 0. So where is 0? Here Z, value of Z is 0. So this is the M2 cell. Value of X is 0, Y is 1, and Z is 0. This is M2. So we are putting 1. And again in M3, this is the value of the cell, that is 0, 1, 1. So value of X is 0 and Y1 and Z are 1, 1. For this cell, M2. M3, we are putting 1. Now we are making group. Here one group is generated, and here again one group is generated. Okay. Now from this group we are minimizing the expression. See here from these two cells, which value is not changing? We have to find out that value only. That what value is not changing?
Y.
Y is not changing, and value of X is also not changing.
Yes, ma'am.
This is row wise 0. Value of X is 0, row wise. Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
0 means no bar, and 1 means bar. So this is, sorry, this is bar and this is not bar. So X
0
bar
means 1 bar.
Yes, 0 means bar. So this is the expression from these two cells, x bar y. Okay, x bar
Yes,
y.
ma'am.
That means x is 0 and y is 1. And
One.
from these two cells, M4 and M5, M4 and M5, making a group, after making a
X and Y same.
yes, x and y is bar. See here, y is bar, y 0, y is 0. So
Yes, ma'am.
it is y bar. So
Value is same.
this is the expression. Okay, so from this expression we can see that is x y bar and x bar y. So this is the this is like x or y. So this is an expression of XOR gate. Okay, this expression is like a b bar and a bar b. A b bar plus a bar b. So this is an XOR expression. So for this we have this minimize. We can minimize this as in this way. This is the symbol of XOR, and now we are taking the XOR gate. Okay, now in this K-map, here we have 4 variables. So 2 to the power 4 means 16. See here it is 16, that is 0 to 15. So 0 to 15, that is, this is the K-map for 4 variables. See W, X, Y, Z. 4 variables are there. So combination of 4 variables can be either 0, 0 starting from 0, 0, 0, 0 to up to 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so 0 to 15. So this is the K-map. Here the M value is also written M0, M1, M2, M3. Here M is not written, but see here the small letters, small digits, 2 and 3 for M values. This is 4, this is 5, this is 6, and this is 7. And this is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This is the rule. For this, it is the rule. It comes fast, and here also it comes fast. Okay, now see which values are written in this summation symbol. Using this summation, that is SOP expression, for SOP expression we are using this summation symbol. So see here, what are the values? 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 12, 13, 14. So we have to put 1 for these particular positions. Okay, and which values are not present here, we will not put 1. We may put 0 also. So see here, for M0 we are putting 1, 1. For M1 we are putting 1. For 2 we are putting 1. 4, 5. In this way we are putting 1 for these values that are mentioned in the first bracket. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now we are, second step is to make a group or to form a group. Okay. But the formation of group will not contain 6 cells or 9 cells or 7 cells. It must be power of 2. We have to make our group with the power of 2 cells. Okay, that is either it would be with 2 cells, either it would be with 4 cells or 8 cells or 16 cells. Understand?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Ma'am, can we group in diagonal forms?
No, no, no. Not in a diagonal form. We cannot make any group. Either it would be column wise or row wise, or but no diagonal form. But see here, here with the red ink, I have shown that if we make a flap or if we flap our page, so these 2 cells comes together. So 2 and this 8, sorry 6, 2, 6, and here M0 and M4 comes together. if we fold our page,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
this comes together. So this becomes 4 cell. These 4 cells can make a group. Okay, so we cannot make a group with 6 cells. So this M14 and M12, we cannot make a group. But with 2 and 6 and 0 and 4, we can make a group. So in this way, here with this red ink, see, it is a group, and with this green ink, there is a group, and also with this cyan color, see, here also we can make a group. So the value from this group, the expression will be, suppose for these 8 cells, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cells are there. So M0, M1, M4, M5, M12, M13, and M8, M9. With these 8 cells, we can make a group and see the expression, what comes. Here, value of W is changing. Value of W is changing, isn't? Yes, for
Yes.
8 cells. W is 0, 0, either 0, 0 or 1, 1. And also value of X is
Changing.
0, 1, 1, 1.
X is also changing.
Yes, but see here in this upward direction, value of Y is not changing.
It's same. Z is changing.
Yes, Z is changing. So we just only have to take this Y. This is Y bar because it is 0. Value of Y is 0. So we are putting Y bar. Okay. Now see this with M2, M6, M0, M4. So value of W is same, 0, 0. That is W bar. And Z is
Yes, ma'am.
changing. So we are not taking the value of X. Sorry, X. We are not taking X. And Y is also 0. And sorry, Y is 0 here. And Y is 1 here. So we are not taking Y. But 0 or Z is 0. And Z is also here 0. So W and Z are
Z
not.
dash.
So W bar, Z bar. So this is the expression from this red ink part group. Okay. Now see this term, this with the cyan color, that is 6, M6 and M14. So if we make a group of these 2 cells, from these 2 cells, so see the value Y, value of Y is same, 1, and Z is changing, Z is also same, and W is changing, X is same, X is same, X value of X is 1. So we
X
are
is changing. Yes, ma'am.
yes, we are putting X, Y, because value of Y is same, 1. Just for those 2 cells, value of Y is same, 1. So X, Y, and Z value is
Z
0.
dash.
So Z bar. Okay. So this is the minimum form from this 4 variable K-map. So our expression may be in this format also, that is A, B, C, D, using this format also. See here. So we have put these values of M's. So what is the value of A, B, C? We don't know. First we have to find out the value of this A bar, B bar, C bar. So it is bar, so it is 0, 0, 0. Okay. And here it is B bar, C, D. So it is 0, 1, 0. Here it is A, B, C, D. So 4 variables. So 4 variable K maps with 16 cells. 16 cells. So it is value of A is 0 because it is A bar, B is 1, C is 1, and D bar is 0. And value of A, B bar, C bar is this. So we don't know the value of D here. D either may 0 or may 1. we don't know the value of D here. Just we know ABC, value of ABC. So we're putting the values here. And we're making the group. See, this yellow ink part. So we are making a group, or we are forming a group with the diagonal 4 positions. Not properly diagonal, but the 4 cells that are diagonally present. Okay, so we are making a group. See, with this yellow ink, the group. So what would be the expression? Value of A is here 0, B is also 0, C 0, D 0. And here A is 0, B is 0, C is 1, that is changing, and D is 0. Here A is 1, that means A is changing, C is changing 1, and D is 0. And here A is 1, that is changing, B is 0, same, C is 0, again changing, and D is 0. So it becomes B bar, D bar. Okay, B bar, D bar.
Yes, ma'am.
So from this yellow part, and now we have to make, if we can fold our page or fold our K-map. So M0, M1, and here M8 and M9, these 4 cells comes together, comes closer. So we can make a group of 4 cells. Here it is mentioned power of 2. So we can make a group of 4 cells. So it is easily understandable that if we make a group of more cells, then the expression becomes minimized. Okay, so expression, if we make a group of 16 cells, so every cells it becomes 1, then the group, the function is very minimal. Okay, so our target is to make a or form a group of more cells. If we can make a group of 2 cells, then we will try, if in any way we can make a group of 4 cells or 8 cells, then our expression will be minimum. And if we have minimum expression, then we use minimum number of gates, and the cost for generating our circuit will be minimized. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So from these 4 cells, see the expression how it becomes B bar C bar. So B is having the for these 2 cells having value of A is 0, B is 0, and here A is
This
1,
is
B is 0, B is same, A is changing. We are not getting the changing value. But C is 0, 0, and D is 0, 1. So D is changing. So we are taking B and C, and both are having 0, 0. So it is bar, B bar, C bar. Now for this A bar, C, D, for these 2 cells, it is A bar, C, D, because value of A is bar for these 2 positions. It is 0, 0, and value of B is changing. We are
D
not
is
getting.
changing.
D, C
Yes,
is 1. So C
C
is
is
6.
1 and D is 0.
C is not complemented and D is complemented. Okay.
Yes.
In this way, it is also solved. You may write in your copy and try it your own.
Yes.
Okay. Just
Okay,
write
ma'am.
this part. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. and this is a POS expression. So for POS expression, we have to put 0 and make a group of zeros also. But in most of the cases, the groups are required from these ones, SOP terms. So if in the question it is mentioned that find the minimum POS expression, then you have to make a group of POS forms. Okay, and that is from 0. Using 0, we have to make a group and minimize them. So that is the minimal form of POS expression. But in most of the cases, SOP is required. SOP, minimization of SOP is required. But sometimes POS also come in the question. Okay. Now, do you have
Okay,
a
ma'am.
problem? You have to practice by yourself. If there is any problem again, now let me know, then I will solve it. Okay.
Okay, yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, students.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye. Take care.